Sure, many things from Sonic Android, but my least favorite are definitely the
Sonic, and also challenging memories. Since the beginning of the Angry Birds 2, what?
What now? Wait a minute.
Why? Not watching this as a kid. You were little RT?
This is a very underrated, like the filter in WAN. Not a huge F.